welcome back to Fudchannel. It's summertime now, so we need to keep ourselves hydrated. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 4 different types of juices which are both tasty and healthy. Let's see how to do this. For the gooseberry juice, take half a lemon and 1 small sized gooseberry. Now let's cut the lemon and the gooseberry. We have removed the seed from the gooseberry. Now let's blend the gooseberry and the lemon with sugar. Now the juice is ready. Let's strain it. You can add water if needed. While serving, add crushed mint leaves. Now our vitamin C rich gooseberry juice is ready. For the sweet lime juice, take 2 sweet limes and sugar. Cut the sweet limes. I'm going to use a juicer today. In case you're using a blender, you have to remove the seeds and the skin. If you blend with the seeds, the juice will become sour. Now the juice is ready. Let's strain it. Add water and sugar. Mix it well. Now our thirst quenching sweet lime juice is ready. For the Nannari lemon juice, take half a lemon, 2 tablespoons Nannari syrup and sugar. In a glass, add ice cubes, Nannari syrup, lemon juice, required amount of sugar and water. Mix it well. And our Nannari lemon juice is ready. For the grape juice, take 200 grams of paneer grapes, small piece of ginger and sugar or any other sweetener. You can also use green grapes. Both types of grapes are equally nutritious. Wash the grapes thoroughly and put it in a blender. Add grated ginger, required amount of sugar and blend it. I have blended the juice. Let's strain it now. Strain it thoroughly. You can also add water if it needed. Now our healthy and refreshing grape juice is ready.